Hi guys, it's another beautiful day. Let's use only one ingredient to make this potent hair growth spray that you can use while your hair is in braids. If you are new to the channel, do well to say a hi, subscribe. Yes, so we are using hibiscus leaves. This is the dry hibiscus flowers that comes out of hibiscus, and it's very good for hair growth. If you want to grow your hair, especially thicken your scalp, this can be your best bet. Hibiscus contains so much ingredients. It's loaded with antioxidants. It also maintains collagen levels, enhances skin elasticity, and is said to reduce wrinkles. As for hibiscus, I like the way it balances the pH of the scalp and also prevents dandruff while encouraging healthy hair. So in this video, we are making a simple DIY spray you can use for about a week, so you don't need to do so much. So I've used this number of hibiscus. It depends on the potency you want. If you want it very thick, it means you have to reduce your water. If you don't want it very thick, you have to make your water much more than you are seeing in this video. So I just put it in a container and then put some hot water on it. The hot water is just to help quicken the infusion. You can either soak it overnight or just boil it under heat, under fire. But then I just like to soak it a bit with hot water for about 15 minutes. It's also very effective. And if you have the luxury of time, you can always leave it overnight or boil it so that you can use it. So as I added the hot water to it, I let it sit down for about 20 minutes so that I get the nutrients from the hibiscus. Hibiscus is so nutritious. In my country, Ghana, we even consume hibiscus because it's very good for the immune system. So yes, hibiscus, sometimes you can make this and still drink it. You can add a little bit of other herbs and then drink it. But this video, I'm making it specifically for hair growth. So after 15 minutes, I get my spray bottle ready. This spray bottle is clean. I cleaned it, made sure that there was no debris in it. And then I poured my hibiscus residue, the water in it, what I gained from from infusing it into the water. I poured it back into it. Yes. So guys, if you're having stunted growth, if a part of your hair is not growing, please be consistent. Please, because I cannot emphasize on the consistency of using DIY. You have to be consistent. They are good. I will say they are magical, but magic doesn't mean they work overnight. They are going to take time, but then you are going to see significant difference in your hair. Yes. I'll be using this for about a week, morning and evening, because it has no smell. It's smellless, odorless, yes. So this is my braids. If I should tell you this braids is just 2 or 3 days old, you'll be shocked. But then the undergrowth I have is because I'm always applying my DIYs. You, from the camera, you think it's looking neat and all that. But if you see my hair in person, you'll be like, I thought you just braided your hair. Yes, I always spray in some herbs infused tea and then go in with my hair oil, and it's able to do the magic for me. I really like how it does. It makes my scalp, it suits my scalp. When I'm having this heated scalp day, I just get in the spray and then just spray it on my scalp, throughout my scalp, and then follow up with hair growth oil and then massage it. Yes, you can do this every day. If you've been on this channel, I always talk about how you can use this treatment. You can either use it every day or every other day. So every other day means you can either use it 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week. And every day means Monday to Friday, depending on how often you wash your hair. I'll be washing this hair in braids, yes. When I braid my hair, it doesn't mean that I'm going on a break or I'm going on a vacation. I still take time to take care of this beautiful hair and my scalp as well. So guys, this is me going in with the oil. It's important to go in with oil, else you're going to really make your scalp dry. You all know that water alone doesn't moisturize the hair or the scalp. So going in with an oil is able to retain the moisture that you have introduced into your hair. So it seals the moisture. So you have to go in with either your DIY hair oil, or if you have any hair growth oil you have bought or purchased, or even if you have aloe vera oil or coconut oil, olive oil, just use a little on your scalp in order not to dry out your scalp. Someone asked me if you can put butters on your scalp. Yes, you can, but it depends on the thickness of the butter. Some butters are really thick and others are just mild. They are almost like oil. So if you have the light ones, you can put them on your scalp, yes. But if you have the very thick ones, I do not recommend them so much because they can clog your pores. Yeah. So this is me after everything, and I felt so good. I'm like, whoa, I'm happy I did this treatment. It is very simple but very, very effective, and I urge that if you want to grow your hair, you start doing such DIY treatment for your hair and your scalp. Let me know what you think about this video. I'll be sharing more videos. I mentioned in my previous video that I'm back, I'm settled. I'll be posting more consistently. In fact, I'm not even supposed to talk much. I'm supposed to show the action. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment what you think or what you think I should do next. Don't forget to leave any suggestions, even if it's something hateful. Don't forget to leave it behind. Yes, I'll read it and I may also delete it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.